Okay, this looks really good. This is my lunch today. Hi guys, before I share my lunch video, one of the reasons you'll like my channel or my um, page or my content is because I really don't lie to you guys about anything. Sometimes that gets me into trouble, which is fine, and this is nothing to do with complaining about trolls. This is about me. This is about us as human beings. And you all have noticed that I've been low for some time. Reason I will not talk about, it's personal. And after that, also somebody calls me and talks about or asks what happened. I might get a lot of calls. I would expect you to respect that boundary and let me deal with it. I can't be positive all the time, but these two are always there. And also, these few days I've been binge eating a little bit. Emotional eating करते हम लोग सब करते हैं. And if I just show the side of mine which is always disciplined, then that would be wrong. And which is why I was like, why fake it? This is a reality lifestyle channel or page that I run, and I share my life as it is without worrying about who's going to talk about my legacy. Why you doing this, why you doing that. I don't care about it. All I'm saying is, if you also go through something like this, let it pass. Let it pass. Do whatever makes you happy. Spend time with your children. Spend time with your good friends. Also spend me time. Like, I'm going through a phase where I'm binge watching mindless reality TV. I love it. So I'm doing that. I will get out of what I'm going through, and one day I will also share about what I'm going through. I'm just not ready to right now. But your love and the amount of love I don't like the word followers, but technically it is followers. I like to call them my supporters. The amount of love that you all have shown me, which is way, way more than the trolls and all. The troll is a part of it. I am so grateful about that. So all I'm saying is, if you go through low phases, choose who to talk to, do what makes you happy. If you need to cry, if you need to be on your own, purge it out, let it go out of your system. Just something I wanted to share about how to deal with the days or months where you feel low or you don't feel as positive, but you can still smile your way through it. And don't take it out on others. A lot of people are, they're low and they'll take it out on others. I don't do that. So, okay, Dodo, you want to see my lunch? So, this is my lunch. There is some surmai fish gassi, which is very typical Mumbai thing. Tandoori crab, my total weakness. Appam. And knowing myself, I will definitely have some rice, which is not measured today. So when I want, I can eat. So the thing is, like I said, I am not perfect. There are days I binge eat. I don't intend to be perfect. I'm very, like, you see a lot of my pictures with glam looks and this and that, but this pajama me, chashma khana is the real me. And do what you feel like. Like I said, allow yourself. Oh my god, this is so good. Mahesh lunch home. Wait, let me have some first. Can't talk much with the food in front of me. I have to have at least one bite. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. This is so good. So, like I said, don't come to conclusions in my comments. You guys have no idea. The last time I put up a video like this, you'll be like, has this happened? Has that happened? You have no idea. And I will only talk about it when I'm ready. But the fact that I am low and it's okay to be low is something I'm very okay with sharing, because that makes it relatable, not me being perfect all the time. ऐसा कोई नहीं होता है. So, what is your lunch? Mine is all about reality TV and binge eating. Love you.